Guys, what's up? Today we're going to Fun Angelica.
Hi.
And you know her from Fun Time X if you watch Fun Time X 1, 2, 3. I don't know if I can get videos out.
100 mil, isn't it? Take for anything less than
Yeah. So we're not at France. We're just driving, aren't we?
Hi.
We're not getting running in the video because we don't want to.
And this is the view.
You see how bright that sun is? Well, like this is early in the morning, isn't it?
Yeah.
This is going to be released. This is Angelica. You know this is going to be released at night. Mum, don't be. We're not uploading this at night then. We're uploading it when we get to Anne-Marie's house.
Yeah, you have to too.
That comes out on December 1st. They said it on the video. Well, you're not getting in the video because nobody watched you in the video. They might be really happy.
And by the way, I've been to France before.
By the way, I haven't. Whack a smack. Right guys, we'll meet you on the plane. Hello guys, what's up? Today we are we're back on the plane now. Yeah, we're back on the plane anyway. And we got Foxy, to go from the FNAF Flash videos, and Michael from FNAF Flash Part 2. And we got your favourite. So I don't really know what to say to you, but look at that kid. Look at that kid. Try and get closer.
Hi.
Yeah, that's Angelica.
Okay, this is Angelica, but she's saying, look at that kid.
Look at that kid. Why am I doing this? So here's the window view. See where we are. And we're going down. It actually feels weird. Clouds look like they're wobbling. Don't they, viewers? Yeah, look through there. Don't the clouds look like they're wobbling?
Yeah.
It's weird. I don't know why, look. They're just wobbling. See that cloud? I can't get past. Yeah, because there's no. Actually, yes. Should we do right? Now, get the catch up this. Bam. So we got a different view now. And you can see Mangle better now. Foxy the pirate fox.
Look, it's this plane as well.
Yeah, definitely. Dinner! We love this plane so much! promise that this is not a snake. As far as I know, it's not a snake. Oh, did you see that? That's what she said it was. Official unmobiles.
Okay, what one should I play, William?
Let's not play anything. Right. Do you think we should leave it until France? See ya at France. Top of the morning to your lettuce.
Why are you copying Joe Pepper?
No, I'm not copying. I was just saying.
Oh. You sure you ain't copying Pepper?
Sure, I'm just saying.
You sure?
There's the, no, Ronnie can't be shown in this video. But George can. Show George.
You'll hide yourself. You're going to be in a tiny YouTube channel.
Ronnie, why is YouTube channel thing on yours? And you just hacked the YouTube channel.
You already started.
Yeah, because you hacked it.
I don't use my account.
How did that hack? You went hack. You said it into the microphone. And it gives you
10 subs.
Yep.
10 subs.
10 subs is really, really good for me. Yeah, Jack subscribes for like 10 subs, hasn't he? It's really, really good. George is still on cam. Ronnie's got the smallest YouTube channel in the world.
No, I haven't even got any subscribers.
Please don't watch 2B7.
My
Please.
friend does his channel with 1 sub.
Please don't watch 2Me7.
Thumbs down this video if you don't like. Just staring at a bunch of trees.
Because Ronnie's just gonna die. But guys, dislike Ronnie in the comments. Say, I hate Ronnie. He's the worst sucker. I nearly dropped it. And now I did.
Oops.
What? I need to take a photo. Ronnie, I need to take a photo. Ronnie, look how good this is. I need to take a photo. Ronnie, look inside the video. This is a really good. I've got more subs. I've got like 30 more subs, so you can't say anything. You see his face? I'll give you a sketch. Hello. We there yet? You sure? I hate this wobbly car. No. Close up.
Like what?
What is the thing?
Oh my gosh. Is that a river? Josh, do you swim in there sometimes? Oh.
No, but I'm going round to go across the bridge.
Oh, right, okay. I'm not sure.
George, did you go to that river?
Bridge just collapsed.
People
if
need
the
to calm
bridge
down,
collapsed,
isn't it?
I'll be worried about
People
my
get
phone.
too angry.
I'll be happy.
Well, it's gonna collapse. It's gonna collapse.
I know my iPad's going to get wet.
Imagine if this bridge just collapsed.
Yeah.
I'm not.
Language.
George, imagine if this just collapsed.
The man.
You'll be fine when you know the language.
We look
You'll be
down.
fine.
He's been here for a year
Like,
and a
every
bit.
time
No,
He's
but
not.
he's hardly been at school, Ronnie. There's been strikes. He started in the end of May, then it was summer holidays for 8 weeks. And then there was like loads of strikes. He's hardly been at school.
So this time I've been to school every day.
It's been good this term from
Have
September.
you got French, Joel? Speak a little bit French, man.
Yeah.
Do you have English class?
Yeah.
You got to speak the top of that.
Yeah. Yeah, I get 2 green dots. You know, the 2 green,
No,
2 reds.
you're just very nearly. She's too French.
What the one? The not
Oh, you have Spanish.
It's not coming over.
It has to speak.
Shadow.
Oh, it's still video.
French.
Well, I guess I'll see you at the house. Right, guys, we're at the house now, and the best part is this.
You like it?
Guys, look at this. George has never fallen off of this. I think I would about 7 times. Look at this. Like, this is part of the house. Look, they got a whole big field. They got goals, play football, got swing. They got everything here. Just sit here. Watch. They got a nice view up. So cool. So I've actually been here for like about 5 minutes already. Wow, look. Was this actually... did I see this on the plane?
No, there's lots of lakes in France or different ones. I think you'd have good eyesight if you saw this one on the plane, wouldn't you? No.
Do you like this? Right, guys, I'm going to jump off right now. And you guys are coming with me. Are you ready? Ooh. How deep is that? Let me see. Let me follow this. That's not that deep. That's just like this. Nothing but from here, viewers. Oh, this is going to be so fun after you actually do it.